everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a very simple program where we create multiple directories on the desktop. I'm going to just create 3 multiple directories. There's a couple of ways of doing this. This is one of the easiest beginners ways. It's not the best way. There's another way where you can print absolutely as many as you actually want, but I'm just going to create 3 directories here. So this is just a very simple way of doing it. So create, this is the function here. I'm going to call it multi-dias. Okay, I'm going to create a path name to my desktop path, and this is the path to my desktop here. So your desktop path is going to be different from this, so you need to find out your own unique desktop path, or else if you simply type this in, it won't work. Right. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to print a message to the user, and we're going to use the F string here, creating, let's say 3 directories or folders, depending on what you want to call them, here. And then this is going to be scalar path. So this will print out the path that we're printing the directories to. Okay, we're going to pause it for 1 second, so that's where you need the time module on board. So we do that by time.sleep, and we'll give it an argument of 1, which means 1 second. Now we're going to create a variable called my_dias, which is my directories, and we're going to put it into a list. So we're going to have dia 1, dia 2, and the last one is going to be dia 3, directory 3. Now we're going to do a for loop, so for dias in my dias. You're going to use OS, so make sure you got the OS module on board, os.mkdir make directory, and we're going to say dias here. And then we're going to tell the user that we've created directories. So simply print directories created. Right. To run the program, we have to call it, so we do that by typing in its name here. So that's going to be create multi-dias. Whoops, shouldn't have done that, I'm not in Perl. Okay, let's run it. Okay, creating 3 directories here, so you can see when we use the F string, it prints out here where the directories have been created, and the final message is directories have been created. So let's go and check and see if they have been created, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. They've been created on the desktop. So that's just about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, give it a like and drop me a comment, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.